Hello, hello. We're playing this game again. Okay, this is my last time playing, I swear. Like, I swear. Chicken Teeth up there, you see him? Like, I pinky promises, like, legitimately my last time playing it. Not my last time, but, like, you know what I mean. Like, I won't play it for a little while, because I'm gonna go back to Steam and Gmod. I can't wait for that. I haven't played Gmod in so long. The reason I haven't been playing Gmod, for some reason, my Wi-Fi's been really bad, so I can't even open Steam. I do have a tab of it though, so I'll try that later. I don't know why I didn't try that in the first place. Okay, let's go. Speed run. Chicken D, oh, yeah, chicken D, chicken. Um 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 um. No one's swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion. 'Cause they are so awesome. No one's swimming in the ocean. Pretty girls and pretty white women want to impress. Dude, I don't like that. Why can't you only open them from this area? I don't like it. Um, I'm kind of scared. Kanomati. Chicken tea. Chicken tea. Turn the other way. Did I tell you to go that way? No, I didn't, chicken tea. So, yeah, why you that way, huh? I'm sorry, chicken tea. I don't know. I'm so mean. We're gonna put Bobbert the fish in the back. We're getting the whole fam. Where's Bobbert? Big fish. There you go. Thank you, Bobbert. Wow. You see, chicken tea, that's how you should be. You should be like Bobbert. You gotta be in the right position when I tell you to. He's gonna take up the entire thing, but it's alright. Alright. So you got both my pets in the back. Now it's time to equip the big guns. Noah's swimming through the freaking ocean because it's so freaking awesome, dude. Dang it. Why'd I have to hit my big old head? Why'd I have to have such a big head? I actually am gonna see if I could turn on comments in this. Dang it, hold on. Video, and then you guys could comment down below what I should post about next. Cause I'm really running out of ideas. I don't know what to post. That's why I haven't been posting so much. Like, again, this is just like a last minute idea. I don't know what to post. Please, I need something to post. I'm get really bored without being able to post. It gets me really sad. There you go. Yes, please. I will see if I'm able to. If you can, please, Pinky, promise. Will you comment what I should do next? I'm really bored. I'm really sad when I don't have anything to post. I get really sad, guys. You guys don't want that to happen, right? You don't want the best person, the best chicken pet person in the whole wide world to be sad. Cause Chicken Tea was, again, the first chicken to hit Mach 2. We gotta do an invincible after this. I feel like we should skip this part. But I don't know how to. I really need an editing software. I don't know how to edit. Chicken Tea! Okay, we gotta get the car set up. go on the road. Come on. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh no. How do I, okay. Oh gosh. Oh. Damn it. Why this car has like no grip. Tires are hella worn out. Alright. Ready? Give me that seat. Get out of parking brake. Go! Oh my god, are we serious? Are we serious, bro? I just got that set up! Dude! Who put that light pole that makes me mad? It's pissing me off. Is this my fuel canister? Damn it. Is my car okay? Wait, Chicken D! Chicken D, yo! Yo, you're the go! Look at your aura! I'm not a chicken D. You're the chicken. Oh, yep. And this fish. I'm not a Vegemite. Yo, Emperor. I'm not a Vegemite. Yo, Emperor. Why is it going clear side? Damn it, what the heck? Okay, actually we're gonna have chicken as a backseater. Yep, look at engines. Yo, creator, if you ever see this, please give me Sandbox Plus. I really want Sandbox Plus. I'm sorry for all the bad things I said in my last video. Okay, well, at the end I did say that I want to take back my words because this game is pretty good. I just didn't understand because I was too dumb. Please, mister, please give me Sandbox Plus, mister, please, mister, can I get Sandbox Plus, please, mister, can I please? There you go. Okay. If this chicken hits Mach 67 or something like that, I don't know. Okay, it's a creator's Mach 67. I'm sorry for saying 67. But yes, we're not bringing that fish. I'm sorry. Dude, Chicken Thie's day one, okay? I'm never switching up on Chicken Thie. There you go. Alright. I'm ready. Oh! Chicken Thie, we're making it! Oh yeah! La la la! Oh yeah! Ah! 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 Oh my god! Ah! 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 Chicken Thie! Oh my god, I see him. Okay, hold on, let me spawn a buggy. I'm gonna put a buggy right here. So we're gonna go home, okay, Chicken Thie? I know you don't like this place. I don't like this place either. It's kind of scary. At night, it gets scary unless you're at the house. Okay. Come on, Chicken Thie. You can lay down. Okay, it's okay. Let's get out of here, Chicken Thie. Alright, let's go. Chicken Thie, we're on the road. Okay. You kidding me? You kidding? We're on the road again, chicken thief. Oh gosh. Oh, this car's way more grip. Okay, that's good. Tires aren't freaking smashed like this. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. That low-key scared me, chicken thief. Who says we have to drive on the road? This is a buggy, in fact. We're literally an off-road car. I know how to drive off-road. Okay. Okay. I told you, chicken thief. Oh, I told you. Okay, never doubt me. You didn't even doubt me. But if you did, like secretly, with your chicken talk or whatever, I don't know what chickens do now. Don't ever doubt me in my... Oh, you can doubt me as much as you want now, chicken thief. Oh my god, are we serious? I literally just got that buggy. And it's just a short now? That's nice. That's real freaking nice, dude. Holy crap. Dude. Chickadee. Are you wishing bad luck upon me? Be honest. Are you, Chickadee? Be honest, Chickadee. Chickadee, dude. Why? I never did anything to you. Oh, it's cause you tried to doubt me and then I talk back? I mean, that is fair, Chickadee. I'm sorry. But Chickadee, you gotta remember that, like, this is... I love this car. Or no. I'm an egotist, okay? You gotta remember that, Chickadee. When it comes to my off-roading skills. But I'm pretty sure we could go off-road in this car too. Ah! Shut up, Chickadee. Okay? We are able to go off-road in this car. Okay, and I believe in it. So our goal is to go see Robert Downey Jr. because we got told that Robert Downey... Okay, because we were told that Robert Downey Jr. was at the end of the map. So we are indeed going to the end of the world. Right, Chicken D? Oh. Okay, that was Chicken D. Two-story house. Chicken D, that could be your home. Okay, hold on. Break. Break. Break! Oh, God! Oh, my God! What the heck? Who put the house there, Chicken D? Chicken D, who put the house there? Let me out. Who put that house there, Chicken D? That house made me mad. There you go. Okay, Chicken D. Oh my lord. You stay inside, Chicken D. I'ma go see if they have a new car for us to use. But just in case, I gotta bring a couple self-defense weapons. Cause what if there's like this slight chance? What if the zombies from Gmod followed us into Roblox? Okay? So we're gonna go figure that out. Okay? Seems safe. Yo, hello? Yo, we our car broke down. We need someone to help us with the car. I see someone's arm up there. Okay, let's go up. But yeah, our car broke down and we need someone to help us. We don't know how to get our car back. My weapon. This is just a car, but this is my car battery. What the heck? They don't have nothing in here. This house sucks, Chicken D. Chicken D, it's like the worst house out, bruh. Oh my lord. Seriously, no one? Alright, Chicken D, I gotta put this back in the van. Okay, can I just put it through this window right here? Wait. Oh, Chicken D! Chicken D, what the hell, man? What the hell? Not cool, not cool. Not cool, Chicken D. Why? I gave you everything, Chicken D, and Chicken D? Chicken D? That's a two-seater. That's a two-seater. That has to be Chicken Tea. Chicken Tea? Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Chicken Tea. Chicken Tea. Okay, from what I seen last video, Chicken Tea could get launched miles away. Like he could probably be already with Robert Downey Jr. He was supposedly at the end of the map. Oh my god, why would I do that? Why would I do that? Why, dude? Oh, I'm so stupid. Dude. Why would I do that? Okay, we're okay. Let me in the bus. We gotta look for Chicken Tea. Let me up. Close the door. There you go. Okay. Let's drive. Chicken Tea. Chicken Tea, where are you, Chicken Tea? Chicken Tea, are you here? Chicken Tea, are you on my bus? No, you're not. Chicken Tea. Chicken Tea, where are you? I'm coming to look for you, buddy. Chicken Tea. Yeah, no, he's definitely acting with Robert Downey Jr. Normally, when I lost him, he would say "Coke" or like chicken noises. But no, whenever he's like, so excited, he stops talking unless he's dead, unless he got knocked out. But what's the chances of him being dead or knocked out? Okay, there's 0 chances. I think this is the place where Robert Downey lives. Robert Downey Jr. This is where he lives. Okay, we gotta speed things up, okay? We need to get to Chicken Tea now. Okay, he's at the end of the map. I just know it. I gut feeling. I have a gut feeling that Chicken Tea is outside. Okay. Oh my gosh. We gotta put the pedal to the frickin' metal. And that's facts, G. I think one could support us. I think one could support us. Alright, open that. Okay, getting 2 fuel cans. Okay, we're getting the Chicken Tea. He's hanging out without me with Robert Downey Jr. Are we serious? And the guy from Deadpool. I forgot his name. Okay. Who the hell are you? Get out of here, dude! What are you doing, huh? Yeah, get out of here. Yeah. Wait, hold on. No. In fact, you get back here. Get back here now. That's an order, mister. I'm the creator of this lobby. Damn it. Get back. Get back here. You get back here now. You get back. You get back here. Okay, that went straight up. I know if this was a live fire fight, we're all dying. And yes, I mean we. Including you, Nuggy. I'll get you. If you're watching this, I'll slime you out, dude. You don't want to catch his fade. Okay, this is a long run. Ready? Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Dude! Dude! We're catching up with that guy. He might be going to slime out Robert Downey Jr. and Chicken D. I got a thruster on the back. So, we'll go faster. I'm going to catch up with him. Probably going to hurt Chicken Thief. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my lord. Oh great Gatsby. He maybe went this way. Go! Boom! Okay, at least we didn't explode. Oh my gosh. At least we didn't explode the virus that protects him. Okay, I don't know what that means. Okay. Okay, we're good. Where is he? Oh. Oh no. Anything under here? What the heck? Where's Chicken Tea? I miss Chicken Tea. Oh man. Well guys, our next video's gonna be figuring out how to save Chicken Tea. Bye bye. Yes, I would like to stop recording. We're gonna find Chicken Tea. We're gonna get him back, okay? If I find him off screen, I'll bring him in the next video. Bye bye.